Good morning and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a bulk certificate in just 2 minutes. So, 2 minuto lang po. First, all you need to do is to make or prepare your list of your participants on the exam. So, ayan. Meron akong sample dito. And then, you need to prepare also your certificate template using Microsoft Word. So, ayan. As you can see on the screen, then, hit the area kung saan ilalagay mo yung names of your participants. After that, go to Mailing tab and then select participants, then use with existing list. So, search your file kung saan nakalagay yung list of your participants. Then, OK. Hit OK. Then, insert merge field. After that, go to finish and merge. Select edit individual certificate and select all. Hit OK. Ayan, tada! Meron ka ng certificates in just 2 minutes. Actually, hindi siya nakaabot ng 2 minutes. Approximately 1 and 30 seconds. So, ayan, I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Bye-bye! Nabay madali.